Hello, welcome back to our channel. You wouldn't believe that this hotel cost only 60 Singapore dollars. This is a 4-star hotel in Da Nang, Vietnam. Located in beautiful coastal of Da Nang and overlooking the incredible beach is the Sands Oceanfront Danang Hotel. Facing the beachfront, features an outdoor swimming pool, fitness center, and restaurant. Featuring a bar, the 4-star hotel has air-conditioned rooms with free Wi-Fi, each with a private bathroom. The daily breakfast offers buffet. Guests can make sightseeing and ticketing arrangements at the tour desk or conduct business at the business center. The hotel can conveniently provide information at the reception to help guests to get around the area. My K Beach is a 2-minute walk from the Sands Oceanfront Danang Hotel, while Songhan Bridge is 3.9 kilometers away. The nearest airport is Da Nang International Airport, 8 kilometers from the accommodation. Everything was perfect, except that they asked us to wait for 4 hours in the lobby before they could check us in. We have arrived at 12 noon, but there is no available room. They asked us to wait for 4 hours before they could let us use our room. It was kinda annoying that the hotel do not have a ready room at 2 p.m., which is a standard check-in time. What do you think about their check-in time? Is it justifiable? Let us know on the comments below. For watching, and we hope to see you again.